Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel 100% Pure Elvis. The next item that I wanted to share with you all today is another CD from my Elvis Presley collection. Now this is titled Sound and Vision Elvis Presley. Includes historic live recordings and interviews, and as you can see, featuring concerts at Little Rock and the Louisiana Hayride and local radio station interviews. Also includes over 50 rare and unpublished pictures. This CD is actually quite cheap to get a hold of. You are looking at around upwards of £10. And again, it is a 2 CD edition, and it comes with a great booklet inside, which I will show you in a moment. But on the front there, great image of Elvis there. I think that's from 1970, that image, or 1969. Please correct me if I am wrong, but such a great image. His eyes, just such. I love that image. On the back, not much really to look at, but I will talk you through the track listing. Now, this was released on Tring International, and I don't know what year it was released, unfortunately. Catalogue number SAV001. And again, the disc 1, we have Heartbreak Hotel, Long Tall Sally, I Was the One, Money Honey, I've Got a Woman, Blue Suede Shoes, Hound Dog, Baby, Let's Play House, Maybelline, That's All Right Mama, Blue Moon Off Kentucky, There's Good Rockin' Tonight, Tweedledee. Disc 2 is the interviews. Now, I don't know how to pronounce the first one, so please, I apologise if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Texarkana, St. Petersburg, Wichita Falls, New Orleans, Memphis 1, Memphis 2, and Houston. So again, I now want to show you the CDs that come inside. Now the CDs look quite cheap looking, but the sound quality actually isn't that bad. So disc 1, there you go. You've got Sound and Vision Elvis Presley. That's like a movie image there. Get it out, and yeah, it's not too bad. Sound quality. I haven't played this for a while, and that is the booklet, which I will go through in a moment. CD 2, and let me now show you the booklet. And there you go, Elvis Presley, 1935 to 1977, and let's go through this together. The first few pages talks about the release itself and the songs and the interviews. So great text, and I've had this in my collection. It's got to be on. This must be over 20 years now. Oh, there you go, early 1970. So I think that's 1970, that image. And now we're going to go into some great images about with Elvis. And Bill Haley there, 1956. That's one of the first ever press releases from the Elvis Presley fan club. The fact that underneath each photo tells you what year it was and what it was about. So that one there is 1957 on the set of Jailhouse Rock. That one there again is 57 with his mother Gladys. Going into the colour images. Sorry about the creaking chair. (1960) in Memphis. So on the right, Elvis with Zsa Zsa Gabor and Edward G. Robinson early in the 1960s. Hope I'm not going too fast for you. With Anne Margaret, and that is on the set of Charrow. Great image there from 1969. From Elvis on tour. Says there that's 1972. Now coming to the end of the little booklet, but just even though it's like a cheap CD release from Sound and Vision, I just think it's worth it for the booklet alone, if I'm quite honest with you. But yeah, the sound quality on the CDs, it's all right. I've heard better. And there's, as we all know, his gravesite. So there we have Sound and Vision, Elvis Presley. I can't tell you what year this was released in, unfortunately. I don't have that information at hand. But again, if you are looking at purchasing this, I did look online before I uploaded this video. You are looking at upwards of £10. So it is still really cheap to get a hold of. Again, the CDs do look cheap looking, but the sound quality isn't that bad. But again, I would actually purchase it for the little book inside alone. You know, I think that's well worth it as well. So again, thank you for returning to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It will help make my channel grow. Please give me a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed this channel. And as I always say, please keep a lookout for more uploads coming soon. Please keep Elvis's music playing. Please keep him close to your heart. Speak soon, everybody. Bye-bye.